On today's video, I'll show you how to install your driver's side fuel rail cover on your FT86, BRZ, or FRS. Tools needed: you're really only going to need a ratchet, a couple extensions, and a 12mm socket. You may need some of the other items pictured. First step of the process, you're going to need your 12mm socket. You're going to take off 2 bolts, one on the front and one on the back side of that fuel rail cover. Now once you get those 2 bolts out, it's time to remove the fuel rail cover. Be very careful, this takes some patience, getting that cover out underneath those fuel lines. Just make sure you don't want to disconnect anything around there. Makes it a little bit easier to move it towards the front of the vehicle, as you see I'm doing here. Now once you get that part removed, it's time to install your new driver's side fuel rail cover. What you're going to do is put it back in those same exact places with using the 2 12mm bolts that you took out from before. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to torque these down to about 12 foot-pounds. And there you have it. Congratulations, guys. Thanks for watching.